this video, let's see the 50mm wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. After installing 15mm wheel spacers, they will add about 50mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 15mm wheel spacers on each front wheel, that adds a total of 30mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 50mm spacers. Wheel spacers will reduce the wheel gap, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Certainly, most cars look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush with the fender. Wheel spacers will be helpful in upsizing your wheels. To ensure a safe wheel rotation, you will need more back spacing for brake calipers. Big aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more back spacing, wheel spacers clear big brake clearance issues effectively. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers for your Tesla Model S, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good day.